What most creators don't realize is that one video is usually not just one video. It's usually 5 videos, sometimes 10. Inside a long video, there are small hidden moments quietly waiting to become something sharper, faster, and more interesting for attention. And the strange part, most people never see them. They record for 1 hour, upload once, and leave, like miners who left gold underground. But pros don't think in full videos, they think in pieces, moments, signals, small strong emotions hidden inside normal footage. And once you learn to see them, editing changes forever. A beginner uploads 1 video, a pro uploads 7, using the same footage. At first, that sounds unfair, like some secret trick done with candles and coffee. But the real reason is simple. Pros understand something most creators ignore. Attention does not care about your full story. It cares about moments, small moments, a sentence, a reaction, a reveal, a change. And if you learn to find those moments, your channel starts to move differently, slowly, then suddenly. Now let's learn something that changes everything, turning one long video into multiple shorts, not randomly, but in a system. This is where creators stop just making videos and start building a machine. By the end of this lesson, you will take one long video and make 3 strong shorts from it. Then we go further. You will build a batch system so you can make 5 shorts in one focused session without getting tired, without chaos, and without restarting everything. Because the truth is, editing is not hard because of skill. It becomes hard because you have too many choices, too many restarts, and too much random stuff that kills the video. At first, shorts look easy. Cut clip, add captions, export, done. But here is the truth. Some shorts feel alive, others feel invisible, even when they are edited the same way. That's when you understand. Good shorts are not made from footage. They are made from tension, curiosity, movement. A moment where the viewer thinks, wait, what happens next? And once you understand that, finding shorts becomes easy. Before that, I want to tell you a simple story. There was an old filmmaker sitting alone at night. The room is quiet except for the timeline going back and forth. Hours of footage. Most of it is normal. A sip of coffee, a pause, nothing special. Then suddenly, one sentence appears. Now, watch this. The filmmaker stops. Rewind. Play again. And for half a second, the video feels different. There is energy, anticipation, movement. Not because it gets louder, but because it creates a question. And humans are very sensitive to unanswered questions. That one moment becomes short, then another, and slowly you understand. Great editors are not just cutters, they are hunters. So what makes a good short moment? Usually one of these 5 things: a clear point, a surprising point, a fast result, a strong emotion, or a clear before and after change. But most importantly, the viewer must understand it instantly. Shorts are not patient. They do not wait while you explain your life story or your workflow. They decide fast, very fast. So your job is clarity, not complexity. Here is the fast method pros use. They play the long video, not to study every word, but to feel energy changes. Look for phrases like, now watch this. This is the solution. This is the key. Look at this result. These are signals. Small doors opening inside the video. When you hear one, mark the time. But do not collect too many clips. Do not gather 30 random moments. Choose only 3 strong ones. Clear, useful, focused. This alone makes editing much faster. Every good short has a simple structure: hook, value, ending. The hook is the first 2 seconds. It answers, what is this video about? Then comes value, the lesson, the tip, the result, then the ending, a quick summary. That's it. No long intro, no slow story, simple wins, again and again. Now let's make short number 1. Put the long clip into a new 9 to 16 project. Keep only the chosen moment, nothing extra. Make it faster, remove dead parts, remove long pauses, remove sounds. But keep it natural, do not make it robotic. You are only removing slow parts. Then, check the first 2 seconds carefully. If the viewer does not understand quickly, they leave quietly. Now make captions, fix mistakes, keep lines short, simple, easy to read, place them in safe areas. Right now, perfection is not the goal, clarity is. If captions cover the face, move them up. Small changes matter more than big effects because viewers forgive simple editing, but they do not forgive confusion.
This is the solution. This is the key. Look at this result. These are signals.
Now repeat for shorts 2 and 3. Different moments, same structure, same style, same safe areas. At this stage, consistency matters more than creativity. This is something beginners resist, but pros know it well. Systems create freedom, not the opposite. Now export the videos. Name them clearly. Short 1 _ V1, short 2 _ V1, short 3 _ V1. Simple names prevent confusion later. Now watch each short for 10 seconds. Check, is text readable? Does it sound clean? Is anything blocking the screen? Quick checks save problems later. Here is the real change. Making one short is easy, but making 5 again and again, that is where creators struggle. Not because of skill, but because of tiredness. This is why batch workflow is powerful. Just to tell you, batch means do similar tasks together. Instead of doing everything one by one, you reuse caption style, caption position, title style, and audio settings. This saves energy, and energy is what keeps you consistent. Now create a short template. Inside it, 9 to 16 setup, safe text area, simple caption style, simple title style, clean audio mix. That's it. Keep it simple. Too complex templates look good, but slow you down. Speed comes from repetition, not from complexity. Now duplicate the template, name it short _ 01. Add your first moment, update captions if needed. Check, is the first 2 seconds clear? If yes, move on, then repeat short _ 02, short _ 03, short _ 04, short _ 05, same system, new content. This is how channels grow, slowly, systematically, without burn you out. Before exporting a short video, ask, can I understand the hook fast? Are captions readable? Are captions inside safe areas? Is the audio clear? Any bad cuts? If one problem exists, fix only that one problem. Do not restart everything. And I wanted to say this, after a while doing all these over and over, editing feels less like work and more like searching, finding small moments in normal videos, finding energy in silence, finding meaning in pieces, and hope. Today, you learned how to turn one long video into multiple shorts by finding moments, hooks, and ending, simple cutting, clean captions, and most importantly, a batch system. Because consistency is not about motivation, it is about removing difficulty. Next lesson will cover export settings for YouTube Shorts, how to keep quality sharp, avoid losing quality, and do final checks before posting. Until then, stay consistent. Keep improving. And remember, sometimes the difference between a small channel and a growing one is simply learning to see the hidden shorts already inside your video.